What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Stone Buck, and it's your boy K-Vibe. You already know what's going on. Yeah, man. And today we gonna got something special for you. We just gonna have us a nice little Nerf war. You know, I mainly post. I don't know what you talking about. You already know, man. You know what I'm saying? You know I love shooting game. That's mainly what I post on this channel. But I figured it's time to get out here and actually do some real shooting. Let's get it. Gonna work. Let's get it. We both got both of our loadouts. You know what I'm saying? He ran with a basic SCAR and a pistol. I got me a SCAR and a sniper. I mean a shotgun with me. Oh, he ain't even have it loaded now. You better be ready now. I'm talking about. You think you can beat me? Alright, so he say he finna win. Listen. It's the view now. Yeah, it's the view. Alright, wait till the start. Listen. So the rule is first to 5. You know what I'm saying? It's very windy out here, so the shot's gonna be hard. So we figured 5 points so it could be a nice quick video. It won't be too hard for you. And this motherfucker right here is too accurate. This motherfucker right here gonna hit you 2 times, you're gonna go down. You hear me? Alright, let's get it, man. We in there. Sorry. An old Fortnite classic, hide in the bushes. I don't know what he's doing out there. He's not taking it serious at all. He'll count too. You know he count, right? So if he do, y'all sit down with your mama. Y'all sit down with your mama.
Come on, sit down. We're dead.
Y'all dead. Y'all gotta go sit down real quick.
Come on, what's up? We both got 1 kill.
We got one more kill.
We both got 1 kill. It's up to me and you.
Sit down.
Here, sit down.
She too easy, baby.
We're at Clem. One of us gotta go. Dude, his shots don't count.
Did I hit you? Got him.
She hit. Lean by, bro. Lean just by.
Lean by, bro. Lean just by. No more ammo, do you?
Boy, you go through this bag.
No more ammo, do you? I have high ground. I have all the ammo. Why you standing right there, buddy? Huh? You want to get 360 trick shotted? Huh? You want to get 360 trick shotted? Huh?
I got one shot, baby. That's all I need.
That's all you need, right? I can end your life right now. Oh, you standing right there. The ring's closing. The ring is closing.
Got it.
My gun didn't come out. My bullet didn't shoot.
Got him.
My bullet didn't shoot.
Let's record it.
No, Dakota, put it down.
Stop, Dakota. Put it down right now.
1, 2. Ready? Go. Go, 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 Cliff, go. Third party. We're trying third party. Take a shot. Woo! Ah, I hit you. We both died. You won that round, Cliff.
Oh, let's go.
Yeah, we hit each other at the same time.
We hit each other at the same time. He won that round.
Let's go.
2-1-1.
Them don't go that far.
Don't hit. Hey! No.
I got you in the foot.
You got hit?
Woo!
Come on, Britt. Come on. It's me and you left. It's me and you. Oh, I got all the cover. You don't.
You gotta switch guns. Another one.
No, take his. Take his.
You can take mine.
Yeah.
You can take mine.
Call your hits, Brittany.
We're gonna have to
Every
get-
hit, call it.
we're gonna have to get-
Every hit, call it. Skyler. Skyler.
He's right here.
All right.
He's right
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Ooh, that one looks a little bit too close. gotta finish the fucking battle. He got hit.
Huh?
He got
Huh?
You got hit. Taylor, you got hit.
I got 3, 2, 1. Go, 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 go. Sit down, Skyler.
Skylar, we're in a war zone right now.
Got it.
God.
Trick shot.
Woo!
No!
He got you.
I got him.
Let's hear about you on that one.
I'm saying.
No, it's cool, it's cool. You good? Keep going.
Going.
Go somewhere.
Because that really hurt. That's
I ain't getting it. What's up? Go, 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 go.
As we all know now, I am the champion. I am the best shooter on the block. You know what I'm saying? I want everybody to go like. That's sore loser right there. I need everybody to go like, subscribe, share, comment, do everything we need y'all to do. We out. Shebang!
Hey, bro,
Yo.